Are you guys ready? Come this way. Come this way. I'm scared. I'm scared.
Can I get a? What do you need? Oh, I don't want to get a line. Anyone need a line? Everyone good?
Everyone, mírame today, please and thank you. Okay, para arriba, para abajo, para el centro, para adentro. Cheers. Honestly, it wasn't bad.
No.
My glasses.
Welcome back to another video, guys.
Hey guys, welcome to my birthday vlog. Yay!
It's my birthday.
It's our birthday.
Here to the beach, we warming up. Check it out. We got them bottles, big ass bottles. Hey, 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 hey. Ew, we at the beach right now.
Alright, babe, this one's yours. I apologize in advance, guys. I'm sorry.
Damn. Cheers, guys.
Josie, Tony. Hey guys, this is my outfit of the day. It's my birthday. Now I'm gonna show you guys what my baby's wearing. Get a vlog, babe.
Is it still recording?
Hola, this is what my baby's wearing. Ooh, he's matching. Period.
Shout out TikTok shop.
TikTok shop.
Getting on the boat right now. That's the thing. Oh, yeah.
I'm so excited. So what do you guys think? Should we think? And it's maybe like 4 or 5 hours. I'll take a shot. We're going for right now. My drink is silent drink. The other birthday boy!
I don't know how. I think I am. Oh, yeah, I am. Everybody go around.
Pass it! Josie, pass it!
Bring your man, I caught a leg shot, but you had your shit, man. Got no bitch, cause I'm bitch, what the fuck, cause you know I'm a young man, jump got way more ass than I'm going to go around, she love
Where? Right there? Happy birthday! You're not recording it. Hey, bestie. I don't know how to do it. Happy birthday, Cassie. Shout out Frankie.
Okay, wait. How do I stop it? I started recording.
Oh, yeah, you're recording.
Yay! Okay.
Fuck, I'm fired, bro. Who's fired? That's on the DK.
I'm looking for the whole